Hello YouTube, Phottix Exposure Photography here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new battery grip for my Canon EOS 7D, which had an unfortunate accident about a month ago on a school field trip. It no longer works, still holds battery power, but none of the buttons here work. So I found the Phottix generic quote-unquote model, and I decided I would give it a try. So without any further ado, we're going to unbox this bad boy and check it out. Here we go. This is what was in the box. Phottix BG-7D. There we go. Even with the tray for the AA batteries. Nothing fancy there. So yeah. In a moment, without further ado, we're going to open it up and take a look. And we're back again. Here we go. We've got the broken Canon BG-7. It's a farewell, rip. It's done for. And we got its replacement, the Phottix BG-7D, which is the BG-7 equivalent. It's exactly alike and everything. Just go ahead and pop that open. And even comes with the battery magazine. Let me see here. It's going to take, which allows me to shoot with, wow, that thing's a little pain in the butt to move out. There we go. 6 AA batteries. So in lieu of that, we're going to use the 2 LPE6s that were in the old grip. There we go. One moment, and then we're going to install it onto the Canon and see how it looks from there and works. Alright, so now it's installed. Everything seems to work, except I need to dust off my camera. So it looks pretty much like the Canon equivalent, but there you go. So there, let's do one thing real quick here. Because there is a generic LPE6 battery in here, so wow, picks both of them up. Very good. I need to replace the Canon actual OEM battery soon. Alright, that's cool. It works. Everything looks good. Alright, now we're going to try the 6 AA batteries to see how that adapter works. And we're back. Whoops. We got the 6 AA batteries. NIMH rechargeables, of course. And we got them set in. Now we're going to put it in and see how it works. Let's see, make sure I put this in properly. Boom. Works really good. Then let's see. What's this? Battery info. Oh. Impressive. So far, I like it. Now, let's see here when we do this. Yeah. Everything seems to work good. In the future, I'll have some test shots for you to show I'll be using this. Thank you for watching. Hope it wasn't too terribly boring. And hope to do some more video reviews for you in the future. Phottix Exposure again. Thanks for checking out my channel.